Hey guys, it's just me today. So this video is all about trying a viral snack that everyone's been talking about. So I woke up early thinking we had a class, but it turned out to be just a short online session where our student teacher gave us a quick instruction para sa among buhaton ng ipasok. So now I have extra time, and what better way to spend it than trying out this Graham bar. This was made by my fellow technologists guys who went viral for being super responsible in selling at school. So let's find out if it lives up to the hype. So guys ha, usang anda mo. So here it is, the famous Graham bar. So I've been hearing for much about it, and I just had to try it for myself. So as you can see, the packaging is neat, and I can already smell the sweet Graham aroma. It looks simple guys, but we all know that sometimes the simplest treats